Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and you all are good at your home and also preparing for cabin crew interviews. My name is Kalpana Singh and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's my video is going to be for my experience with Franklin Institute. So like if you have any query, if you have any doubt regarding it, and if you are planning to go in Franklin Institute, so I would suggest you to please watch this video. You will get to know about lot of things and so that you can better decide like what to do or not. So let's get started with the video without wasting much time. So I will tell you each and everything one by one. So like why people think to join any aviation institute. If I talk about me, so I belong to a family where most of the people are from IT industry. So no one know about aviation industry. So therefore I don't have much knowledge about it. And now we have lot of YouTube channels. There are a lot of YouTubers who are making videos like I am, and also there are many YouTubers who are making videos and they are giving proper information about aviation industry. But when I joined Franklin Institute, so on that time there were very few people, like there were very few YouTubers who were making videos related to cabin crew and everything. So I was not having any knowledge about it. So therefore I decided to join Franklin Institute. So I went from Bikaner to Jaipur just for counseling, and there the people are very sweet and they will treat you in a way so that you will get you will easily get convinced by them that yes, if I will join there, then I will definitely be a cabin crew. But that is that institute will not matter. Like if you have skills, if you have if you are eligible for that, then you will without joining an institute, then also you can be a cabin crew. It's not necessary that it's mandatory that you should join a cabin crew institute. It's not. You can be a cabin crew without going to any institute, without wasting money like me there as I did. But honestly, if I say that I learned a lot of things from there, so that is, I will not say that it is totally wastage of money, but they will teach you a lot of things. But if I talk about the uh, placement and other things, then they will not give you much placement. Yeah, they are giving placement for ground staff and other things, but they will not give you placement for cabin crew interview. They will only tell you yes, this is the venue, you have to get ready and you have to go there. So that you will get to know from there are a lot of Instagram page, official websites. So there you will get a lot of interviewer YouTubers are also and updating everyone on time, yeah, here is interview is going to happen, so you don't have too much worry about it. So let's go for my experience in Franklin Institute. So they have 6 module and I was in package of 1 year. So there were 2 package. So those who are graduate, so they can go for 6 months. So they will train everything in 6 months. And for third, and those who are just 12th pass out, so for them it is 1 year plan. So in 1 year they will give you different modules like communication skill, hospitality, aviation, grooming, personality development, interview skills, these all things. So every module is of 25 to 28 days and they will teach you a lot of things. So my first module was the communication skill. So basic communication skill where we are getting chance to speak in front of people. So that the hesitation we had, the fear of speaking English we have, that will remove. So there are a lot of girls who are sitting together and we are getting one topic and we have to speak on that, and after that the teacher, the faculty is there they will tell us that what mistake we did and they will give us feedback. In every module you will get a mock interview, and after that they will give you number and also they will give you feedback that where are you lacking and what are the mistakes you did. So the first was normal communication and the second was the grooming round. So grooming module they will tell you that how to make a bun and how to do a normal makeup that we most of the girl know very well, and that also you can learn from YouTube channel. So we learned there, and also our teacher was very good and she taught us that how to walk, how to sit, and how to smile in front of interviewer, and also the basic standards of aviation industry, the nail paint, we have to use silver nail paint or red nail paint. We have to apply only red or pink lipstick on our lips, and also the basic criteria whenever you go for interviews. So we have to take care of these all things. So we have to look presentable, not be over makeup and something like that. So that is also we learned there. And the fourth round was of personality development, where we will learn about like how to be a good person, how to be optimistic, and like the weaknesses and strength. They will give us chance to analyze our weaknesses and strength and everything. So they will like help us to understand our personality, and also they will give us feedback that where you are lacking, how can you improve it, because for being a cabin crew, personality matters a lot. So personality is not only the thing which like how you are appearing. Personality is something that your internal things, your internal, how you are internally, and personality is a combination of your internal and external appearance. So external appearance we can see, but internal appearance we can't see. So that is a kind of your behavior. In internal things, there are a lot of things included, like your behavior, how you take things, your problem solving skills, and lot of things. These all things are included. And in aviation they will teach us lot of things. There is a particular booklet for every module, and in our aviation booklet there are a lot of things about aircraft and announcement. These all things are included that you will learn after like getting selected. So that training will already given by the Indigo particular airline wherever you are getting selected. And the third was hospitality. So you will get a benefit that if you will join Frankfurt Institute or any other institute, so they will also give you some information about hospitality, because hospitality and aviation industry are like similar. So you will like get lot of things to learn. Even I also worked in a restaurant and in hotel also, to learn more experience, to know that how the customer service industry is like, so that I can easily adapt that thing and will learn lot of things from there. And the last module was of like communication, like that is interview skill. They will take lot of mock interviews, and they will tell you that where you are lacking. They will help you in like making yourself better every time. So you will analyze yourself that where you are standing and what are these things you have to learn. So like they will tell you a lot of things. So this is all my interview, all my experience about Frankfurt. And yeah, I had a good experience with it, but I will not suggest you that you should go there and join a Frankfurt, because that institute was very expensive. Like you have to pay a lot of money for that. But nowadays like there are a lot of online things available. There are many YouTubers who will tell you each and everything about that. So no need to like waste that much money for only to be like go for that institute. Because if you are studying in a good college and a good place, then you will learn that thing automatically. But if a girl who came from a village and she dreamed to be a cabin crew, so for that like she had to start from the basic, from a zero level. So if you are at zero level, so that you can think to go there. But if you are already know basics of aviation, basics of personality, you know better, you can understand things, so that no matter to go there, you will learn automatically. Just try to like do lot of communication skill practice, and try to improve your English, try to improve your personality, lot of things. There are many YouTubers. You can do online course as well, so that will not cost you much, and you can also like learn lot of things. So that is all my experience for Frankfurt Institute. So like if you want to be cabin crew, so it's not necessary that you should join a institute and you go and you pay there. That is not necessary. Even that they will not ask you that have you did any diploma. They will not ask you. They will only focus on your skills, on your personality and everything. So if you think that yes, you required, you want to know more about that, then you can go. Otherwise it's all right, not necessary to go anywhere. So that's all about my interview experience, Frankfurt Institute experience. So hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe me or like my video, and I will not say much. And also comment me how was the video, and it is helpful for you, then please also let me know, and also suggest me that what video may I make next. Thank you so much everyone. Bye, take care, love you all.